Project Management Introduction. You can send the email if you have a question, and you will see the end of this email. I studied at Purdue University for system analysis and design, and I started interested for project management. I'm done in the New York Attorney General Office for project management course, and New York State. I'm from the president of the Absolute by Absolute. This is the Honor Society in Community and Information Discipline for chapter. And this is my background. You can see my award, education, leadership, organization, and comedy. I also learned in the Toastmaster and like Pi Theta Kappa. And Pi Theta Kappa is the Honor Society for 2-year degree. And who's a student in American University and College. And this summer, get ready to roll. So you will see that today, like basic project management and concept, understand the benefit of the project management, why it is important, understand specific project role and responsibility, recognize the 5 phases of the project management life cycle and key process. What is project? I start with the question. So project is a temporary endeavor undertaking to create a unique product, service, or result. So it's very important. Unique product or service or result. They are unique. Temporary endeavor. So you have to see that one. So this I use a guide to the project management body or knowledge and third edition. So project is there intend to produce something new or do something that has never been done before. So we do that one. A project always has a beginning and end. So I always think our human life is a project because we are mortal. So we start the beginning and we die. So we are in project. So project is a temporary endeavor undertaking to create unique product, service, or result. This is it. I always emphasize on that one. Project and ongoing operation. So we start with the area. Another one is a project and ongoing. So duration is in project is a temporary. So we like our life. We got there, begin to end, temporary, and ongoing operation has the continuous there, keep moving. And product is unique, but normal course of the business. And then goal is the deliverable. We deliver project done, but in ongoing smooth operation, we do that one. And the step is we got the multiple discipline, but ongoing operation, we got the single discipline. Ongoing, when you come, you need to be done and you go home. But project, we need to be multiple discipline. Organization is a metric, and ongoing operation hierarchy. So risk is actively managed in project and cooperate with in controlling ongoing operation. Activity must be deployed. So ongoing operation is already in place. So we know already project, and we know already project what's the ongoing operation. We are going to be moved to the what is project management. So what is project management? Project management is the application of the knowledge, skill, tool, and technique to project activity to meet the project requirement I can repeat for you again. Project management is the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and technique to the project activity to meet the project requirement. So I can see the code for guideboard with that one. So you can repeat again that one, project management definition. And the project management is a coordinating and manage all the steps necessary to be sure a project ends successfully. So we do a project temporary, yes. So we need to begin and end successfully with the delivery. This is they are combined in together. So this is the multitask for step for everything. This is the reason we see the project management. What are some challenges you have encountered on a project? So project is we need to be encountered on a project. So we need to focus on now. Yes, what are some challenges you have encountered on a project? So frequently encounter in challenges are, I don't know what I'm doing. So we talk about that. No one tell me anything. I don't know my priority. What should I work on first? So people multiple, they got the multiple tasks, multiple discipline. So sometimes they are different. So ongoing operation is a single. You need to come, lunch, home, but project is different. So priority. I can deliver what the customer want. So we are not the psychic. We are not the fortune teller. We cannot read customer mind. So I can deliver in the time frame the customer want, because we will be getting next time CSSQ. So we are not perfect. Human beings are imperfect. So we need to know that one. And people keep changing their mind about what they want. So I get the A, they want B. I get the B, they want C. So something like that. The customer keep asking for me for more future. So we do the contract, we put this as scope, but they want H down. And the customer keep asking for more future. So this is the scope, or like we need to be how much. The customer, I don't have enough people to get the job done. So we want more manpower. So this is it. With the time frame CSSQ, we are coming soon. Yeah, I didn't see that one coming. So and this is the we answer there frequently encounter challenges. Next question is, what are the benefits of project management? So we know that pro and con for coming project management. So what are the benefits of project management? But multitasking is the decrease significantly. Consistent process following a command methodology lead repeatable result, fewer problem, less reward. Better planning result in fewer supply, fewer resource and shortage. So we need to plan to fail to plan. We are coming soon. Yeah. So an executive get better information, and better decision making, common tools and processing, and even more effectively sharing or project information. Projects are managed using a problem methodology, not by the seed of the plan. So this is the benefit of the project map we are going to see. And now we already talk about the CSSQ. You can see soon. This is a very important concept. C is a cost, and the first scope S is a scope, another scope S is a schedule and quality. So we need to be, some need to be paid off. We cannot get everything. So this is the duty for management. You can see that one. Thank you for your patience. So this is the CSSQ. So we got the project quadruple constraint. So if you want more money, you can do the more quality, more scope, more schedule. If you want faster, you need to be more use the other. So we need to pay off for one or other. This is the very famous scope. So we need to know the CSSQ. C for cost, first S for scope, second F for schedule. Schedule is sometimes we got the timetable. So time frame. So we change a little bit. And then scope is like future. How many want they want? They want to the A, B, C, D. That the future we saw that one. Quality is this. We want the like A, B, C, something like that. We got they got different. So this quality, the core is that we got the dollar, money amount. Thank you very much for patience. So project quadruple constant CSSQ. And another question coming, project role and responsibility. So we did already for all our project. What the project man, what the constraint. Now is a role and responsibility. This time, who is the in charge? So like military, chain command is important. We need to follow the chain command. So this is same idea in project. We are coming on. Project role and responsibility. Who is in charge? Project role and responsibility. We got the project sponsor. Project sponsor have the highest best interest in the successful completion of the project. So he's the main, So and now present the accident report to executive staff. We use the like ID accident rule IDIR. So that executive result staff situate project funding resource staff. We are continue giving how much we can in. Result complete the exam benefit the project lead control. And the approved project deliverable. So this is very important. Apply the sponsor like project manager and or with the IT lead. So responsible for leading the project across the department. We got too many department, so we got too many communication, and then we need a lot of priority. So we need to know that like demand where, critical path, tidy way, or something like that. And the health operation is responsibility for the completion of the project on time. So this be there we call the schedule. According to CSSQ, we need to always thinking CSSQ on time be there, schedule, scope, SCS, the budget is the cost. So CSSQ using resource supplied by the project sponsor. So we need to always focus CSSQ in everywhere. And the development execute the project plan and secure approval of the project delivery for the sponsor and customer. So we need to know that this book secure approval project delivery from the sponsor. Sponsor we know already, and then the department is picking the customer. So ideally is responsible for leading all the information technology component and project. So responsible for the reporting to the project lead, the certain of the information technology component for the project, ensure the ID project team that accomplish the project delivery, secure approval project delivery from the ID sponsor and customer. So this is for ID lead. So we can continue with the dynamic communication management. So we know the sponsor, we know the other stakeholder, or like project lead, customer, team. So the interesting calculation is the n die n minus 1 by 2. This means that I will see the show that later. We got the how many team member? We got the team member n equal to 5. So we put the 5 and then multiply with the 5 minus 1 is a 4, 20. 20 divided by 2 is a 10. So like we can get this 10. But how about this became the 10? For 10 member, we are grow to the 10 member 10. This will be 45. So you can see there this calculation. So this is very important, and we need to know what we're doing. So we can see that one here. So management, sponsor, project lead. We are doing the different direction now. Yes. So we are go the 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 1 to 1. So this is a relationship like. So we can calculate that one. Another fun thing coming. Not only, so we got the more communication. So like we can and fail and go each other inside all outside in, sponsor to stakeholder, project lead to customer, project lead to team. This is a reason we need to know the how many channel. So communication channel is a like that. So I can show the next step for how we can apply that one. So let's say team member N. So 5 team member for the team channel. So we got that one. So here we calculation. This is a thing. So I don't already previous slide, but another fun thing is 18 coming. So we move that one, put it by channel. Because 10 minus 1 is a 9. And the multiply 10 with a 90. 90 divided by 2 is a 4, 44. This is a very interesting that one. Thank you. And now, project management life cycle. So contain the process applied for the entire life of the project. This life cycle may be applied to the any site project from planning a wedding to building an aeroplane. So we already do the how to build a bridge. This is a very important concept. So we need to move that one. So if we start in the America, engineer start with the project management in the Midwest, if you see that one, how to build the bridge and how to do the arc, also very famous in civil engineering. And the 5 phase of our project management life scale is a origination, initiation, planning, execution, and control, and close out. So we got the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase, So we go keep moving the more and more phase. So this is our project management life cycle. You can see the online, and then you can order the hard copy, and they are deliver a very good information with the very useful. So I really recommend. Bouncing all the journey mind, we start with the first step. So this is the phase 1. Origination, we got the project, IDIR. So this time they show what we benefit, and so we do proposal. So this time after that one, accept or reject. So leader will be selection. After that one, A project is the accept. We got the high level milestone, and then we can get the big milestone. This is we start at the beginning. So phase 1. So in phase 1, project the IDIR feed the project selection, facility executed, and go and no-go decision at the partnership review board, used by project sponsor to prove the value of the projects, and then serve as is the contract between project sponsor and project team. So we already know the contract law. So contract law is you go to school, and the student and teacher, they got the syllabus. This is the syllabus is a contract. You want to buy the home, real estate, plus you do the contract, which one you want, how much you want to pay. The same idea. Everywhere we are survived in the contract law. So, and provide the authority to expand the creation of the project delivery. So that one is a project IDRDP, project selection. So after phase 1, we can do the phase 2, initiation. So initiation, we do the kickoff. Kickoff is kickoff meeting. So kickoff meeting, we need to explain who can do which one, regular meeting or weekly or monthly or, so we want to know what the expectation, early bad news is much better than bad, late bad news. So we want to prepare, and then this is we do the official kickoff, develop high level scope schedule, and begin project and standard reporting. So project standard reporting is there. Before phase 3, we want to finish that one. Executive can make accurate decision only if given timely, accurate information. So how we can do that? Regular meeting, weekly, we recommend, we can follow up, or monthly, standard report. After early bad news is much better than late bad news. So after that, we are going to move the phase 3. So origination, initiation, planning. Yes. Planning is a prepare for project execution. Yes. So we do the phase 3, prepare for project execution. We refining the scope, refining the project schedule to the working test level. So always you got the schedule, you need to be thinking CSSQ, cost, and that's scope, schedule, and quality. So always thinking, one need to be, always adjust, assembly the project plan. So after assembling the project plan, we need to who is the role responsibility document. We need to document it, write it down. So this is more important. And how we can communication plan and how we scope statement and the project schedule, something like that. And then it was a risk management plan and implementation. We had to do a lot of things, that one. So I came in for phase 4, we had to finish the phase 3. Yeah. So I told in previous planning key concept, assembling the project plan, role and responsibility document, communication plan, scope statement, project schedule, change control plan. So how we can do that control, and then risk management plan. Everything is a plan, and we need all document, issue management plan, implementation plan, and other also as deemed necessary. So the value of planning is take the time, but save the time. Yeah. So we need to be plan to fail or fail to plan. This is a very famous concept. We need that one. So this is a reason planning key concept is assembling the project plan. So we come in planning key concept, the value of the planning. So take the time, but we take time for planning, but we save time for the whole project begin to end. So begin to end. The project plan is the collecting of the documentation, not just the schedule. Failing to the plan is the plan to fail. Yeah, fail to plan or plan to fail. So after that, we are going to do the phase 4, execution and control. So ready to go. Execution and control is the phase 4. Project delivery are produced and what we are delivering. So like go. And the team perform the test that produce the product of the project manager and or ID leader manager adjust control. So how we can do that one, Yeah. After that one, we are going to the final phase is the close out. So we are going to move the final phase. Ready to go. And final phase is the close out. Combine the asset stamp or delivery and document lessons learned and prepare project close out and celebrate party, sweet Caroline, bam bam bam. Yeah, this is very important for celebrate. We need to award. We not punish. We are licking the award. So have fun, get it now. We are doing that one. So close out the key concept is it's not over. It's over. So we come in next. Yes. So it's ain't over. It is over. The project does not end when the system is the production. We need to follow up, monitoring, financial data check our perform. Project manager and or IT lead must document the various challenge and success encountered along the way. The project and when the project status indicate final approval. So we need final approval. Yeah, So there we can see here. So this is you can see there. If you can order the project management, they can send it, copy for online for. That one is a development project like project origination, initiation, planning, control is we got the project execution and close out. So you can see more detail in that one. So we can do like this. Here is we define initiation. But for origination, we are proposing what the project after we define. So project planning, we do the refine, and then we are doing the manage. So the project manager and ideally is the ring leader. Yeah. So we come in next slide. Project management. The project management and or ideally is the range leader. The project sponsor actively support the project. The schedule is a predictive and not just a to-do list. So always you see like this CSSQ is always you need to think. So where we are. This is we can see the location, navigation, very important. Project tests are assigned to the specific team member. Process study is not just a list of the what happened last month. And early warning system in the place for the race. Yes. And who do you need project management? So we can do the next slide. Why do you need project management? project work is becoming more complex and typically involve multiple bureau, division, agency. So the magnitude of the change is making project management a requirement to the conduct business. The number of people assigned to a project increase communication issue and coordinately afford to the support project management redundancy, fragmentation, loss of the productivity, and increased cost. Yeah, there's a why do you need project management? How do I get started using project management? So, why do you need project management? Another question is, how do I get started using project management? Study the management, we can see here, New York State Guidebook, so IDS and IDOT Project Management Guidebook and relates to, you can see the one project management by knowledge and as for the experience project manager. So we can do that one. And then I also do the system development life cycle and we can, how to match that one is a beautiful project management. This is my song. If you have still question, any concern or follow up, I give them my email and I really appreciate you watching for the whole and thank you very much. Thank you. And I would like to add, hope you can do something and I can learn something from each other. Bye bye.